Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your phone says Kai or the manufacturer's wireless standard. Once done, plug the charger directly into a powered wall outlet or a USB-C PD adapter for stable current. You should remove bulky cases and metal mounts because they block transmission. Now position the charger on a flat, stable surface. Place your phone face up over the charger, but don't snap it yet. Align the center of the phone with the pad so charging can initialize immediately. You now focus on alignment and settings. Gently move the phone until the charger's LED or your phone's haptic feedback confirms contact. This corrects coil-to-coil alignment and maximizes efficiency. Once confirmed, make sure nothing else sits on the pad and the charger has airflow. Soft surfaces insulate and raise temperature. If you care about battery longevity, enable any phone power saving or optimize charging modes to slow the top-up. Slower charging reduces heat and preserves battery. You complete the session by leaving the phone centered until it reaches the level you want, then unplug the charger when finished to save power. If the phone won't charge, check the obvious. Confirm the adapter works, swap the USB cable, or test another device to isolate whether the pad or phone is at fault. If problems persist, reposition the phone, try without the case, check for firmware updates, and finally replace the charger. Defective coils or overheating are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.